So I'll just go now into the Ultimate Deluxe tab. First of all, on the general settings, people are familiar with the deluxe version, would be very familiar with this. The logo is quite important because on every page that is shown on your viewing stations, when they click on that logo, it actually takes them back to the start of the system and refreshes the basket and the whole gallery system. So we've got here now, click here, new pictures, which tells the client when they come up to the viewing stations to click here for new pictures. The link of the logo, where it goes to, we need to get this from the IP address in a moment and show you how. What I've done here as well now, through a bit of trial and error, within welcome messages in the gallery description, and in fact the gallery name, you can put full rotating GIFs, images, flash, HTML, anything that you want in these three boxes. But what I found out, it needs to be simple. You don't want your clients, when they're going to buy pictures, to start reading text or be presented with a lot of flashy images. So I've just got here, click on picture below. And that's within my gallery name, and you can see that coming up in a second. Welcome message I've got blank, gallery description I've got blank. And within my gallery ID is the details of the job, and that actually gets imported as well then into the subfolders when people are actually purchased. Onto my pricing tab, I've just got one product set up, 6x9 inch print, and on my general discounts I've got my applied discount. So say I want to buy two get one free, applied discount of £10 when amount is £21 or more. So when they buy three, it knocks off that £10. Everything else is pretty much the same really. Under the theme, you've got an online theme and an on-site theme. The montages are ticked off for on-site version, but you can tick them on if you wish, and there is a 30-day free trial for the online version as well. The on-site really is simplicity in itself. We've built in our own server control, very simple, start and stop, and that's it really. So if I now go back to my subdirectories, very simple instructions here about what you need to do. Output directory, same folder as set in general tab. So I'll browse that. To my my testing. Where are we? Ultimate view. So this is my output directory. These are where my orders are going to be saved to. And we'll see that work in a second. So here's my order directory. And then coming down the box here then, copy pictures to new folders. So this is my incoming orders. What happens when someone pushes that buy button on the checkout, and what happens. First of all, the tick box, copy pictures to new folder. So when someone pushes that buy button, it copies that images then to that folder. Use different folders for different orders. So every time you get a new order, it creates a different subdirectory within this orders folders, and just tick it on and tick it off, whichever suits you best. And then the encode order data in the file name. So what happens here when someone orders a 6x9, it actually changes the file name, not your original, but it copies one and puts it in this order and changes the file name to the order details. And this is your processing, so when they push that checkout button, your order has been processed, thanks, go and pay for your print, whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to now start the server. Here we go, that's it. That's all the settings done really within JAlbums and Ultimate. A couple of things that you can do here from here now is, first of all, is save as default. So every time now that you open up JAlbums, all them settings are going to be done for you, so you don't need to worry about going back in and out, changing it for different jobs. And what I also do as well then at the start of every job is to save album project. So I'm going to save my album project as, I'll just call it test for now. So that means then, if for whatever reason you need to restart JAlbum, someone closes it down, that happened recently with another photographer, then you don't need to recreate everything. It's all there ready for you, all the settings are there. That's it. Thank you very much. Very simple. Once it's set up, you don't need to worry about it. We're going to go on to next actually creating a gallery and see how everything works. Thank you.